Evening all, Marcus here, back again with another video, back again with a 360-degree video. So if you look around with your mouse, tablet, whatever, touch the screen, look around, or if you've got an Oculus Go headset, stick it in that, any VR headset will do, and you can look around and see the full surroundings that I'm in at the moment. Now, this is being filmed on the GoPro Fusion, so I'll be testing that. I'll also be uploading it to veer.tv, so if you want to kind of see it there as well, you can do. And vice versa, it'll be on YouTube. And Carol from Calvin Labs has been in contact with me, dropped me an email, said they've got a new AR game out for the iPad, and you can probably hear it making all sorts of noise now. And it's basically kind of a bot battling game. It's called Botnet, and what I will do, probably where the sun is or where something is, I'll put the screen of the iPad on this, so if you look around, you should be able to see it. I'm not sure where I'm going to put it exactly, but you'll be able to find it. And it's a new game out. It's only come out a couple of days ago. I think it's about £2 or $2. And throughout the video, I'll be dotting around free codes. So I've got 5 codes to give away. So keep an eye out around here somewhere. I'll pop the codes up. So they'll be free for anybody to grab. The first people get some, great, you know, you've got a free game. But let's have a quick go and let's check it out, sorry. So we've got part 1, which leads me to believe there will be more content coming soon at some point. And it has spatial tracking, so you can crouch and take cover. So let's have a little go. I've got my sunshades on, my sun is, because I can't see. And I'm hoping I'm gonna be able to see once it boots up. Ah, there we go. What's better? Without, let's take them off. Let's take them off. I can see better without them. Right, so you can see it's now generating the landscape around us. So this is pretty cool. So okay, so it's kind of like building a whole wall, a whole world in all the space around us. Look at this. It's like, yeah, look at that. It's actually matching the landscape where I'm walking on and building a whole sort of arena. How sweet is that? Right, so we should see at some point some robots or something to shoot. Oh, we've got to click on them to get them. Oh, let's move back a bit, shall we? Do I need to shoot that, or is it a robot? Let's have a look. Oh, what is that out there? I was making another ship. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, wow, what is this guy? Can we shoot him? Oh. Is he the bad guy? Oh, taking him down, Botnet. Ooh, it's that 80s soundtrack. Check it out. I keep thinking that tree stump over there is a person. Keep catching out the corner of my eye. Alright, what's going on? Oh, got some robots. Do we shoot them? You can use this sort of on-screen controls if you want to. But what I think I will do, I'll put my hand in my little strap here and then I can hold it nice and easy. Oh, lots of robots over there. Let's shoot those. Tap, 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 tap. Ooh, look at that. Check out the music. Proper sort of 80s inspired stuff, supposedly. Oh, I'm shooting that globe that's there. Yeah, let's try that. It's something shooting me and I don't know. Where is it? Oh, there, behind the ship. Supposedly, it's like the rocks and stuff that you get around, you can go hide behind. So, should we go sort of see? Can I move over here? Oh, I can, look at this. Right, can we make a move for it? Can we walk behind this rock? Oh wow, we can. We're actually behind the rock over here. I guess if I walk through it, oh, I'm getting shot now. Let's shoot them, Oh, I'm getting the crap shot out of me. Oh, run. Oh, I've been destroyed. Oh no, I haven't been destroyed. Oh, thought I was down. Oh, let's get you guys. Supposedly you can duck. Oh yeah, look, there's a rock there, look. I can duck behind it. I'll get a shot from somewhere else. Where am I getting shot from? Oh, am I dead? No. Respawning. I'm not sure which robots I'm meant to be shooting. I'm just going to shoot all of them. Because, you know, that's safer. Shoot those guys over there. Can we get behind this rock here? I'm getting too close. Oh, I've lost my environment. Is it going to come back in? There you go. I don't know whether that's like to show I've been shot or killed or something. Oh, down here as well. Let's try and get those guys. Oh, somebody just jumped in front of me. Can we go over here? Should we walk around this camera? I guess we've got a 360-degree camera, we might as well. Although I can't see if I turn that way because the sun's so bright. Some guys over there. Oh, somebody just teleported in front of me. Can I shoot them? Can I shoot them? You literally just tap on the screen to shoot. Oh, there's rocks here. Can we hide behind them? Can I hold on them? Ooh, what was that? I thought that was a stronger shot then by holding the button. So we can't hide behind this real tree. There we go, I can see better up here. Let's shoot those guys down there. Oh, some more guys coming over here. And I don't know whether this is just like endless runner type thing or endless waves. You just kind of keep shooting all the waves. I don't know if I'm shooting the blue or the orange guys. They seem to be shooting each other. It's kind of fun though. I wonder, this would be great if it was like multiplayer. Like if you had sort of multi people playing this, and you all had a tablet, you could like shoot each other or make yourself look really cool. Oh. There we go, there we go. Oh, 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 oh. I'm getting shot, I'm getting shot. Oh, the screen's gone all fuzzy again. Oh look, it's kind of tracking me quite well, look. It's kind of showing the rocks and the formations, and it's kind of slightly slanted down here, slightly sloped. Where are they? There they are. Die, robots. Oh, he's taking a lot of shots. Oh yeah. I think I'll stay in the shade over here. I can see better. Jeez, it's so sunny today. Let's go on. Let's try and shoot those guys. I'm getting shot by something. Can I shoot this guy? Yeah, he's down. Shoot that globe thing. Shoot those over there. I'm quite looking forward to actually showing this to my kids. I think my kids would love this. And the great thing with having the iPad as well, with this nice little strap on it, is it's kind of secure sort of thing, so you can kind of play wherever. I'm more of an Android guy, I'll be honest, but I do have an iPad. I don't have an iPhone, but it's quite fun to play this. There seems to be a lot more AR stuff on iPhone and iOS. Also, they've been pushing sort of their sort of AR stuff, but I probably could do with a higher end Apple device. Maybe one day somebody will send me a free iPhone, you know, we'll see. Oh, it's taking advantage of me back here. Let's go that. See if we can duck behind some rocks somewhere. Look, this guy here, look. Can we move over here? I like the way you can just literally move around wherever you want to go. Just shoot whatever you want. Shoot those guys down there. Oh. He's gonna get us. Gotta make sure we aim. There we go. Alright, shoot these down here. Oh, where's he going? He's a bit faster than he. Look at him. He's making a proper move for it. Oh, we've got a quad car, bike, truck thing going. Making all sorts of noise. Ruining our 80s soundtrack. So for £2, this is kind of fun. I like this. And I'm not playing a massive amount of AR stuff, so if you guys want to see me do more AR stuff, maybe in 360 like I'm doing here, absolutely, let me know. I'll see what I can do. But this is kind of cool. I guess it'd be nice if we had some different weapons. That's me kind of staying still a lot of the time. I should be moving really, shouldn't I? I like the way that the GoPro disappears. There's no GoPro, where's it gone? Alright. But I could duck, take some cover. Take my time, take my shots. I wonder if it steadies my shots a little bit. Does this just keep going forever? Maybe it does, until you get killed, I guess. You get like a score. There you go, there's the menu there. So in-game HUD. Oh, we can turn the HUD on and off. Quit, turn right. So we can just carry on. Oh, now how do we get back in? Just respawn? We just respawn. Ah, so that must be what happens when it goes back to the normal world. They've actually been killed and then just respawns and just carry on. So, fun little game. I quite enjoy this. I think it works quite well. If you kind of look around now, it's kind of covered the area quite well. I'm quite kind of impressed with that. It looks quite good. Sounds alright. Looks alright. Quite responsive. Even though I've literally got just the normal sort of 2018 iPad, it's not an iPad Pro or anything like that. It's playing quite well. There's no sort of frame stuttering or glitching or anything like that. I'm actually, you know, pretty pleased with that, and I just died again. But we'll give that one a quick pause, shall we? So we touch the top right corner to pause, and we'll quit that one. There we go. Let's move around the other side of the back. Let's move around the other side because it's a bit sunny outside. You probably can't see me very well. Right, there we go. That was Botnet on iOS. So if you've got a kind of a half decent iOS phone, give that a download. As I say, throughout this video, I would have hidden codes. So make sure you kind of scan around. I won't put them in the same place each time. I'll put them in different locations. Let's turn you off. Who are you making noises at me? There's the off button. There it is. It's that corner. Let me know what you think of AR gaming. Is it something you've done, something you've had a go of? As I give this a go download, I think it's quite good. They obviously didn't pay me to do it. They didn't pay me sort of, you know, advertise it or anything like that, but they kind of thought I might be interested. And yeah, why not? AR is kind of fun. It's kind of obviously kind of linked into mobile and sort of Oculus Go type thing, really, isn't it? You know, it's kind of related. And I know a lot of you guys have probably got iPhones and stuff like that anyway, so here you go. So check out the codes, rewatch the video, look in different directions. I won't put them in the same place each time. I've got 5 copies to give away, so there's 5 codes in this video somewhere. And as I say, this will be on YouTube and viadit.tv because, you know, 2 good platforms for 360-degree content, especially with the YouTube VR app coming soon on the Oculus Go. Can't complain about that. And it's super bright and sunny. I'm going to put my sunglasses back on. Holy moly, jeez. Didn't realise it was so sunny today. Right. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, thumbs down if you didn't, that's fine. I'm big enough and ugly to take it. If you didn't like it, that's fine. Just let me know in the comments down below why you didn't like it and I'll try and do better for next time. Become one of the remarkables. Hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell as well so you know when I next upload a video. And that's me done. I'm out. Have a virtual 360 high five.